Understanding Craft Kit, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic in store for you, especially for those who love being creative and hands-on. We are going to delve into the meaning of the phrase, craft kit. This is a common term you might encounter in stores, online, or while engaging in artistic and creative activities. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of what a craft kit is and how to use this term in your conversations. So, let's get started. Let's break down the phrase, craft kit, into two parts to understand it better. 1. Craft. This word refers to an activity involving skill in making things by hand. Crafts can include a wide range of activities such as painting, knitting, woodworking, scrapbooking, and much more. It's all about creating something unique and artistic. 2. Kit. A kit is a set of items grouped together for a particular purpose. It usually contains all the things you would need to perform a specific task or activity. So, when we combine these two words, craft and kit, it refers to a set of tools, materials, and instructions packaged together to help someone complete a craft project. Now, let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in different contexts. 1. Children's craft kits. These are very popular and can include materials for activities like making friendship bracelets, painting, or assembling a model airplane. They are a great way for children to learn new skills and express their creativity. 2. DIY home decor craft kits. For adults, there are craft kits designed to create home decor items. These might include materials for making candles, weaving a basket, or painting a piece of wall art. 3. Educational craft kits. Some craft kits are designed to be educational, teaching new skills or concepts through the act of making something by hand. 4. Gifts. Craft kits also make great gifts, as they provide not just a physical item, but also the joy of creating something with your own hands. Craft kits offer several benefits. 1. All-in-one. Everything you need is included, so you don't have to buy materials separately. 2. Guidance. Most craft kits come with instructions, making it easy for beginners to get started. 3. Skill development. They provide a great way to learn new crafting skills. 4. Therapeutic. Engaging in crafts can be very relaxing and meditative. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to understanding the phrase, craft kit. We hope this video has helped shed some light on what a craft kit is and how you can use this term in your daily conversations. Remember, craft kits are not just for children, they are for anyone and everyone who wants to explore their creative side. Thank you for watching, and happy crafting!